Hi guys, my name's Paul and this is my company PW Pro. Time for us last wrapping video of 2013, so we thought we'd see it out with a GTR. Done quite a few of these and quite a few more booked in for next year. So this time out, standard grey car, done a gloss orange with gloss black wrap, put some tints in there, wheel recolour, loads of bits and bobs, really good project. Recorded it a bit differently again, so we did the last one a little bit different, we've done this one a bit different. Just give you an idea of what goes on in here in the day, so hope you enjoy.